After some couple of years we haven't seen each other, I went to see my friend. She just told me that, hey man, I'm around. I was like, hey man, you should have, informed me before, because I have to prepare myself anyway. I was like, okay, cool, let me come and check up on you in town. Yeah,
Hi, Sabelo.
Time. After such a catch up. So yeah, just watch the video. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Let's go. Count from 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. Is that her? I don't know where she is. Supposed to be here. There she is. Why bamba le phone bese weye? Asiyo. Wama rolls now maruza. Awako na rolls. What is this? How did we meet? I think we met in 2020 or 2011 or 2010. 2011 Nah, I think it was 2009. I was schooling in Pretorius school by that time. I was doing my grade 6. Yeah, I guess grade 6. She used to come at school to come and fetch her brother. I guess her brother. Yeah. And then every Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And then I think we had a ceremony at school, and I think her brother, we knew, but I think he announced that this is his sister. And then because by the time I was more speaking Isizulu than the other language, like Setswana, Sepedi, Sesotho. And when I find out that she speaks Isindebele, but she can understand Isizulu, then I was, okay, cool, let me, get along with this woman, this lady, this girl. Yeah, let's just say, because she was young, let me get to know this girl, And then, just keep friends from there. Share his story, share that with my way. Started from there, and we just like understand each other. Obviously, when I moved from where I used to stay, from there we didn't lose contact, but when we grow, everyone focus on his own journey. Then from there we just like sees each other on social media. Yeah, man. If I'm also around, tell her, hey man, I'm around town. Where are you? Or if she's around town, because she's from Mpumalanga, and I'm in Pretoria, and she doesn't come often. Yeah, man.
Oh, that sounds good. This is I know. Oh, I don't know. A video bunch of papa.
That's what Johannesburg did. That you look like. I can tell them what kind of color.
And you long and that. I'm not cold.
Thank you for watching up until here to the end. I would love to request that guys, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. It's my channel. I don't know what to say, but it's my channel. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe so that I can bring more content for you. I thank you.